Most day boats stop somewhere around 40 feet. The Regal 50 SAV starts where they stop. Regal's flagship sports activity vessel, purpose-built for offshore runs on a platform that can actually keep up. Built by Regal Boats in Leesburg, Florida, a company building inshore and offshore platforms since 1969, the 50 SAV rides on Regal's Ocean Track 2 Deep V hull with 18-degree dead rise, yacht certified capacity, triple Mercury 7.6-liter V12 600 outboards, 1,800 horsepower total. This hull was engineered to run offshore and return dry. A SeaKeeper 6 gyroscopic stabilizer handles the conditions that push back. Full performance data is at yachtspecsdirect.com. 50 feet 5 inches overall, 14 feet 7 inches of beam, draft is 29 inches drives up, 49 drives down, dry weight 33,500 pounds, 700 gallons of fuel on board, dual terrace doors open the cockpit wide to the water, full opening, not a crack. The refreshment island anchors the aft deck with marble finished surfaces, integrated sink and full height storage. Power platform lowers on command, flush with the waterline. Regal's LivePower system eliminates the standalone generator. The 3 outboards carry the entire electrical load. FLIR night vision and power shade are standard. Below, a king aft stateroom, a standing head with walk-in shower, and a salon with dining for 6. A 55-inch TV lowers from the overhead on command. 22 rod holders throughout the cockpit. Triple 22-inch Garmin displays at the helm. Bottom line, the Regal 50 SAV is a purpose-built offshore flagship, and it performs like one. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.